Welcome. Today discuss about type of electrical draw schematic diagram and symbols for domestic wiring. You can see now symbol for domestic wiring, equipment, architectural symbol, wiring diagram. Fuse, 1 GAN one-way switch, 1 GAN two-way switch. Intermediate switch, 1 GAN one-way switch with pilot lamp, dimmer switch, push button switch. Socket outlet, lamp, electrical bell, distribution board, consumer's earth terminal. Let's talk about mainly three types of house wiring sub-circuit: lighting circuit, socket outlet circuit, fixed apparent circuits. Let's explain now type of circuit diagram forms: block diagram, architectural diagram, single layer diagram, layout diagram, circuit diagram, wiring diagram. Let's talk about block diagram. You can see now simple example of block diagram. Here the order of circuit is shown, but a complete understanding of the circuit is not possible. Next one is architectural diagram. This is in accordance with complex electrical engineering regulations, and today's architecture's drawings show the location of the building's internal and external electrical equipment. Next one is single layer diagram. You can see simple example of 2 bulb and 2 switch single layer diagram. These diagrams are used to set up for electrical wires. Their distance and wire sizes are indicated. In addition, the distribution board also shows how protective devices are used. Now you can see amount of wire, 3 wires and 2 wires. The circuit distances. Let's explain now circuit diagram. This circuit help to understand very complex electrical circuits process easily. You can see now simple example 2 switch and 2 bulb circuit diagram. Let's explain now wiring diagram. These diagrams provide sufficient information about wiring electrical equipment between electrical devices, but they are not simple. They are very useful in later repair work. You can see now simple example of wiring diagram, 2 bulb and 2 switch. Thank you.